Alright, this will be one of the elevators at the blue parking garage here at Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall. It is getting busier, so I hope people don't try to get on. Well, if it happens, it happens. Let's go back up to 4 and we'll get off that street afterwards. Oh. Why aren't we going up? Okay. We'll just get off that street. Not sure why 4 is not working. Maybe the button is burnt out. When I press 3, the door's closed all the way. Let's see. Okay, we're going back down. We're gonna get off at street level. Just a basic parking garage elevator. Heat over impulse. We're gonna get off here at street level.